Just unboxed a Labubu? Don't throw away the box, we can upcycle them into creative and fun projects. It's easy and makes your collection even better. Let's craft!